Alexa, decrease sound system volume. Here is the demonstration of our device. So Turtle IR is an Alexa controlled infrared blaster. So it basically lets you voice command and automate all the IR controlled appliances in your room, like your TV, your DVD player, sound system, your projector, your air conditioner, etc. So this device comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, and here is a charging port. So device has just one button, that is the on off button, that's it. And as you can see, the device is surrounded by IR transmitters. So you can basically place it somewhere in the middle of the room and it can control all the appliances around inside the room. So here I am just going to switch it on. That is all you have to do, and place it on the table. And this is my echo input, which I'll be using to access Alexa. I'll just unmute it. Okay, so as you can see, I have a TV, a set-top box, a DVD player, and a sound system, and I have a projector as well. So first I'll be switching on the TV. Alexa, switch on TV.
Okay.
The light turned green and this TV will switch on shortly. Okay. Alexa, switch on set-top box.
Okay.
क्या मैं खुद इंस्टॉल करूं? चलिए यार, टाटा स्काई विंच सेफ एंड इजी इंस्टॉलेशन है।
Alexa,
इजी इंस्ट्रक्शंस के साथ खुद
decrease TV volume.
It's super simple.
Okay.
Really? क्या चाहिए तो हम आ जाएंगे घर पे इंस्टॉल करने। Full safety.
So basically this device simulates pressing the TV remote buttons, or like whatever the appliances, like AC power button or sound system power, volume, whatever buttons you want it to simulate. Alexa, mute TV.
Okay.
Okay. Alexa, switch on sound system.
Okay.
So basically, if you look closely, you might be able to see the IR rays. Alexa, increase sound system volume.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, increase sound system volume. I hope it's visible.
It's done.
Alexa, decrease sound system volume. You can see the knob turning.
It's done.
Alexa, switch on DVD player.
Okay.
So the TV switched to the DVD player HDMI port. Alexa, switch off TV.
Okay.
Alexa, switch off sound system.
Okay.
Alexa, switch off DVD player.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on air conditioner.
Okay.
So here is a demonstration of controlling multiple electronic appliances with just a single command. So here as an example, I'll be using a single command to set up my home theater system. So usually when I do it manually, first I'll have to take the projector remote and I'll have to click on the power button to switch it on. Then I'll have to wait for 15 seconds for the projector to switch on. Once that is done, I'll have to press the source key, then use the arrow keys to navigate the correct HDMI port and then click OK. Once that is done, I'll have to take the second remote, power on the sound system, then wait for again 5 more seconds till the sound system is on, then set the volume to 50%, and that's it. So imagine doing all this with just a single command. So that is what I'm going to demonstrate now. So the word which I have set up is movie time. So when I tell Alexa it's movie time, Alexa will automatically use this device to set up the home theater. So as you can see, the device is already on. So once I tell the command, it will set these up automatically. Alexa, movie time. So the projector is on. Then it waits for 15 seconds. The sound system is on, the source is selected, and finally the sound system volume is set. You can see the knob move.
It's ready. Enjoy the show.